For only the third time in recorded history, we have a visitor. It's an object from a completely different star system, a traveler between worlds. It is hurtling through our cosmic neighborhood at over 85,000 miles per hour. NASA has confirmed it, and astronomers are now in a race against time to study it before it disappears forever. The last time this happened, it sparked a global debate about alien technology. So what is this new arrival, and is it another mystery, like Oumuamua? Almost everything in our sky is from here. The planets, the asteroids, the comets, they are all gravitationally bound to our sun. But an interstellar object doesn't belong to us. It was born around another star, far away in the Milky Way. It has traveled through the cold, dark void for millions of years. It's not here to stay. It's just passing through. So how did we find it? The discovery was made by a system called ATLAS, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. Its job is to scan the sky, hunting for moving objects. On September 27th, it flagged a faint object moving incredibly fast. When astronomers calculated its path, they knew it was moving too fast to be from our solar system. Its official name is now 3 Eyes Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object. Of course, this immediately brings up the mystery of the first visitor. Oumuamua. Oumuamua was bizarre. It was shaped like a cigar. It had no visible comet tail, and it sped up as it left. For reasons we can't fully explain, this led some scientists, like Harvard's Avi Loeb, to suggest it could have been an alien probe. So, is 3i Atlas another one? The evidence says, no. Unlike Oumuamua, this new object is behaving like a normal comet. It's developing a fuzzy gas cloud, a coma, as the sun heats its icy surface. And that's what makes this so important. Every normal interstellar comet we find makes the Oumuamua mystery even deeper. It reinforces just how strange that first visitor really was. 3i Atlas is a golden opportunity. Astronomers are now pointing our most powerful telescopes at it. By studying its light, we can determine what it's made of. It is a free sample, delivered to our doorstep from another star system. This is just the beginning. New observatories will soon be finding dozens of these visitors every single year. We are realizing our solar system isn't an isolated island. It's a busy crossroads in a vast interconnected galaxy. So while 3i Atlas may not be an alien ship, its story is just as profound. It's a messenger from an unknown place, a piece of another world. For millions of years they have flown by in silence. Only now can we finally see them, greet them, and learn their secrets before they continue their endless journey into the dark. What do you think we'll learn from this cosmic visitor? Let us know in the comments. For more stories from the frontiers of science, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.